Good morning or good afternoon, Semafus. Today we are going to present our data structure and algorithm project. The title of our project is Undo and Redo Text Editor using Stack. Our group members are me, Jiahong, Kaiser, and Iwei. First, let me do some introduction about our project. This project is about developing a text editor system. The system supports basic operations such as insert, undo, and redo. It works like real text editors that we use every day. It sets different versions of text when the user makes changes. In our project, we use vector and in the index pointer instead of only using stack. We also include the timeline feature to show the change clearly. This helps users understand how to redo or undo work. Next is our objective. The objective for our project is to design a text editor with basic editing function and to implement undo and redo operation efficiently. To store multiple versions of text using a vector, and to allow a user to move between different text stages using an index pointer. Last is to provide the timeline to visualize the changes. This one is the simple coding part. This slide show the coding part of our project. We use programming to implement the text editor system. The code handles insert, undo, and redo operation. It also manages the storage of text stage. Next, I will pass to Iwei to present the next part.
I am Iwei, and now let's talk about the insert operation. When the user insert next text, first the current text is set into the undo stack, then the new stack is added to the current stack, and finally the redo stack is cleared. For example, before insert hello, after insert world, and then it will become hello world. And then next is the undo operation. When the user click undo, first the current text is set into the redo stack, then the system retrieves the last text from the undo stack. Finally, it set it as the current text. Example, hello world become hello. And then now for the redo operation. When the user click redo, first the current text is set into the undo stack, then the system retrieves the text from the redo stack. Finally, it restores it as the current text. So hello will become hello world again. Now I will show a demo of our system. This demo will show how insert, undo, and redo work in real time. This is for insert, and then this for undo, and this is for redo. And now I will present about conclusion. In conclusion, this project successfully shows how redo and undo work in a text editor. We use a vector and index pointer to manage different versions of text. This method is efficient and easy to understand. The timeline feature also helps users see the change clearly. Overall, this project shows how data structures are useful in real applications. Now I will pass to Kaiser to the next.
Hello everyone, my name is Tang Kaiser, and now let's me to continue for our data structure and algorithm project of the demo coding. So here we can see this all is for our coding for our project. So now we will compile it. So now we can see this. This is our main menu. Here we have our current document part and the history timeline. So we can see now for our pointer is point to the empty and the current document is empty. And now we have the menu, so we can see we can press the insert text, for the 1, undo for the 2, redo for the 3, and exist for the 4. So first we will press 1. We will choose the 1 to insert the text. So first we will input hello. So now we can see the text insert is successful, and we will press enter to continue. So now we can see the text is in our history timeline. The pointer is point to the text hello, and our current document will display hello. And now we can undo for it. So we press 2 and undo complete, enter continue. So now you can see our pointer is point to the empty, and the current document also changed to empty. And now we can undo again. So now we can see this the empty we cannot undo again, so it will display warning no more action to undo. So now we will press enter to continue. So now we can try to redo for it. So we press 3. So now it will display redo complete. So we will continue. So now we can see our pointer is point to the hello, and the current document will display hello. And now we can redo one more time. So now we can see this. We cannot redo one more. So we cannot redo because no action for it. So it will display warning no more action to redo. So press enter to continue. So now we can insert text one more time, so we can see it. So press 1. So we will press hello world. So we will press world. So now we can see the info text insert successful. So we press enter. So now we can see we have the text hello world for the history timeline, and the pointer also point to the hello world, text hello world, and the current document also display hello world. And now we can undo it. So undo complete and enter continue. So we can see the pointer undo it to the text hello, and current document will display hello. And we undo again, undo complete, and enter to continue. So here we can see the pointer point to the empty, so current document is empty. So now we can redo it. So now the redo complete, and we press enter. So now the program will redo and point to the text hello. So the current document also display hello. And also we redo again. So redo complete. So we can press continue. So now we can see our pointer is point to the text hello world, and the current document also display hello world. So that's all for our demo coding. So we can exit the program. So we can press 4 to exit. So now we can see the program terminated. So end program. So that's all from me. Thank you.